his name? Bonesy Rosy.
That's from Bonesy Rosy.
Yeah. Open my presents. I got it. Yeah. Let's see what it is. Let's see.
Is that some shoes? What else?
It's a dress and leggings and a headband.
Yeah, for your headband. Where's my other present?
Let's see.
The last one.
What is this down here? That's just one she wrapped up in there. That's just one we wrapped up, remember?
What's that for?
You can open it and wrap it.
Yeah, you can open it if you want to. Remember what's inside?
Oh. Is that what you wrapped?
Yeah, I'm going to wrap it until Christmas.
Yeah, okay. That's a good job. Open your last one. That's yours.
That's mine. Okay, got one more.
No. I'll open yours. I'll open yours.
I'll open mine in just a minute. Let's open your big one first.
Don't look at it yet. Don't look at it yet.
What is that? What is that?
Strawberry shortcake card.
Yeah, awesome.
Alright.
Gonna go grocery shopping with that? Is there some groceries inside?
We'll get it off in just a minute.
Do you love it?
And there's your strawberry shortcake bubble bath under the tree.
Bubble bath, awesome.
It was already open. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so Merry Christmas.
So
Merry Christmas.
Do you love all your presents?
Say happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.